Yes, book Martin Morris told to be broke.com. I'm about to head off soon, so kind of cleaning off the stove. I did some cooking yesterday, so kind of just do my best to get rid of the spots. I got to buy those Clorox wipes to help me out. This is for, I cooked some hamburgers yesterday, so I'll have this today or I'll eat the chicken. One thing I learned is sometimes you just got to buy the plate. Because I was buying those aluminum things you get from in cooking and baking. Finally, it's like, you know what? You just gotta use the tools you have at hand. So I'm just gonna use that. It's not as hard. It's because the other one, the other Vons, you know, those baking pan, oven, whatever they call them, it just takes too long to get rid of them, man. You gotta squash them down and do all kind of stuff. So why not just use my regular baking and then clean up. I still buy the paper plates, but I think I'm gonna start baking with my own stuff. Let me know what. See, it's clean. Taking out the bathroom. Class.